the rough, Big Business. Far outside, right next to him, it's Awesome Vision. Escape from Reality has come from mid-pack now to take the lead into the first turn. Fox Rules down toward the inside. On the outside, Big Business. Sinistra just in behind the lead, running along in fourth. And it's Awesome Vision fifth on the outside, followed by Money in Your Pocket. At the back of the pack, the two trailers are Beauty in the Pulpit and Sailmate. So they turn toward the backstretch with Escape from Reality, passing the quarter-mile mark in 24 and 2/5 seconds. Big Business up close, unhurried, while running second. Fox Rules down toward the rails. Sinistra is right next to that one. And then a well-held Money in Your Pocket in behind horses. Or the outside, Awesome Vision. Another 2 lengths back to Sailmate, who's settled into an easy rhythm. The trailer is now Beauty in the Pulpit, as Escape from Reality takes them through the half-mile mark in 49 and 4. So the pace, a tepid one here in the off-going. As they move for the far turn, Escape from Reality. Big Business now positioned just to his outside. Sinistra right up there, running along in third. Awesome Vision now driving harder in fourth. Fox Rules fifth toward the inside, followed by Money in Your Pocket. Then Sailmate in a drive. The trailer, Beauty in the Pulpit, 3 furlongs to go now. It's still Escape from Reality. Big Business right next to him. Sinistra next to that one. And on the far outside, Awesome Vision making a 4-wide run after the lead. Then farther back, a sputtering Fox Rules, followed by Sailmate, who takes to the outside now. Down toward the rail, Beauty in the Pulpit, as the field comes in to the final furlong. Escape from Reality desperately hanging in there. Big Business full out, but still a neck behind. And Sinistra, Awesome Vision, very far outside, coming down to the finish. A blanket finish, and Sinistra in a head bob with Big Business. Escape from Reality third. So was it the 27-1 Sinistra or the 8-5 Big Business? We'll take a picture to figure it out.